Hello and welcome. In this video, you will learn how to configure data filters in the data source in Bold BI. Data filters are used to limit or control which records from a dataset are displayed based on specific criteria. They help you focus on only relevant data instead of processing the entire dataset. By applying filters, you can improve performance, enhance clarity, and create dashboards that adjust dynamically to user selections or parameters. Filters also ensure that the displayed data meets business rules, conditions, or analytical needs. Overall, they make data more meaningful and manageable. We will start by opening the Dashboard Designer page. Go to the Data Source section and click Create New. For this demo, I choose a PostgreSQL data source and enter the required data connection details. Select Connect to open the Query Designer. Drag and drop a table into the Query Designer. Click on the Filters option shown in the Data Design view. The Data Filter window will open. Add a filter condition by clicking the Add button in the Data Filters window. Now, a filter condition will be added by default. Choose the column you need to filter in the first drop-down box. Select the operators from the drop-down depending on the filter condition needed. Modify the condition as needed and define the criteria. In the Custom option, filter the records based on the columns. The parameters to define will differ based on the data type. For the Parameters option, you filter the records based on the dashboard parameter values. This allows for dynamically changing the parameter values in both View and Preview modes. Custom Attributes allow you to filter data dynamically by injecting user-specific values into queries using the syntax. You can filter values with or without null by checking or unchecking the Include Null option. If you check this option, only equals and does not equal conditions will be shown. For numeric type columns, the parameters will be added like this. Click OK. The filter data will be updated in the preview area. For datetime or text type columns, you may see a toggle button for top N on the right. Once you enter all the data filter details, click OK. The data preview grid will appear like this. Next, to add a condition, click the Add button. Delete the previously added filter. Click on the Parameters option. The first parameter will be selected by default. It displays data where the selected table column is equal to the chosen dashboard parameter. Click Save. Now we can create a dashboard by using this data source. In this video, I showed you how to configure data filters in the data source in Bold BI. Thanks for watching.